Dear brothers and sisters, Luke has today given us a short account of the visit, or you may say the invitation of the Pharisee to Jesus to have dinner with him. This small incident, I think, gives us a small lesson for us too. But to understand this so-called the incident, the account, we need to go back into history of Jesus' times. During Jesus' time, there were basically four types of people, four class. We call them the ordinary people, we call them illiterate, who followed the teachings of the law. There were the scribes, the teachers who were experts in the Jewish law. There were Sadducees who followed the law but did not believe in the resurrection of the dead. Then the Pharisees, people set apart, who followed the law also more exteriorly. They believed what is outside is more important than what is inside. So in this context, you can understand the text. When Jesus went to dine with the Pharisees' house, he did not follow the Jewish custom. The custom was, before you dine, before you sit at table, wash yourself. Of course, it's a healthy custom. But the Pharisees, in a way, laid more stress on the exterior, how a person behaves outside and not what the person is within. This is what the message Jesus wants to give the Pharisees, also to us maybe. Yesterday, the feast of Saint Mary Margaret Alacoque, where Jesus reveals the deep love he has within himself, and we have the devotion, the Sacred Heart of Jesus. This is telling us, do not judge people from their exterior behavior, but make a judgment of how he is within. You know, within us there are two types of so-called thoughts, or two types of feelings. Feelings of love, happiness, joy, empathy, kindness, generosity, going out to help people. There are also the feelings of negativity, of hatred, of jealousy, and all those negative types. Jesus warns the Pharisees, says, don't judge people from the outside. You believe a cup, says, has to be washed both inside and outside. Therefore, we too need to be cleansed from inside and outside. What attracts people is what is within you, and how what is within you comes outside when you perform good deeds like giving alms. Maybe we reflect a bit and ask ourselves, how do we judge people on how they behave out or what they're within? There's an English saying which says, all that glitters is not gold, which is very true. People from within are out different and within outside different. Sometimes it is said about us, we go to make pilgrimages to shrines and attend Mass regularly, but once we're outside the enclosure, those people see different type of us. So let's pause for a minute and ask ourselves, what does God want from me? What is God interested in me? Or what is it that God attracts me from me? Is it just exterior works which have no love, or the works like giving alms that come out of love?